guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm going to be trying out new products that I haven't tried. Maybe they're not new for you guys, but they are new to me because, well, I've never tried them before. And it is from the Sephora favorites, and I got this as a Christmas present from my brother and my sister-in-law. So I'm super excited that I finally get to try them out. And they are like sample sizes, so they're super cute and adorable. Oh, and I'm also going to be trying out the Pretty Vulgar concealer that I got in a BoxyCharm. I believe it was last month or 2 months ago. I'm not sure, but I haven't used it yet. So I just have face moisturizer on my face right now. So I'm going to begin with the primer, and it's this one by Too Faced, the Hangover RX Replenishing Face Primer. And I've never tried this primer before, so yeah. So I'm going to put a few dots of this primer on my face. By the way, today is Monday, February 17th. By the time you guys watch this, it's probably going to be Wednesday the 19th, I think. And I'm going to be in school already. I start school tomorrow on Tuesday, so I'm super excited and nervous. Okay, so the primer feels pretty good on my face. It doesn't feel super dry. Okay, now I'm going to be using the Pretty Vulgar concealer, and hopefully it's my shade. I'm going to be putting some on my baggage area to cover my dark circles. Whoa, I feel like this is kind of dark. I don't know. Let's see. I guess it does blend into my skin. It doesn't look orange or anything. Hopefully it doesn't look weird on camera. I feel like this concealer has a natural finish because you can't even tell that I put it on. So I like that. Okay, now since I don't have a new foundation because I still haven't got my BoxyCharm for February, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Foundation. Now I'm going back with a Pretty Vulgar concealer, and I'm going to put it wherever I have redness because I didn't put that much foundation, so I could see if this works. And I'll just put a little bit under my baggage area. Okay, so it does blend into my foundation really nicely, and it doesn't look cakey. So far I really like this concealer. Okay, so since this one doesn't come with a powder, I'm going to be using my own powder. So I'm going to be using my Bye Pores Pressed Powder, and I use this every single day. And for the rest of my face, I'm going to be setting it with a L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Powder, this one right here, and I'm in the shade 200 Natural Beige. Okay, now I'm going to be using the Hoola Benefit bronzer, and I never use bronzer, so let's see how this looks, and let's see if I know how to apply it. I don't think it has a shade color, but it's this shade right here. Okay, so I found a brush that I haven't used, and it is from Firm A Beauty or something like that. And I think I got this in a Ipsy bag, and I'm not even sure if this is a bronzing brush. It looks like that. So I will be using this for the bronzer. I think I might like this brush for blush instead. I could see it, but I don't know if you guys can see it, and I'm not sure if that's where bronzers go. And I've seen people put it on their forehead, but I feel like if I put it on my forehead, it's gonna look smaller. I don't know. I don't think I like bronzer on my forehead. I'm gonna look like I have no forehead. Hopefully it doesn't look like mud on my face. That is all for the bronzer. I don't want to go overboard. And okay, now the next thing that I'm going to try is this Milk blush right here. It says lip and cheek, so I'm only going to apply it on my cheek, not on my lips, because I do have a lippy in this box, and this is what it looks like. This would actually look pretty on the lips, and this is in the shade Work, W-E-R-K. So I've never applied this type of blush before, so I'm just gonna go for it. It's super buttery. Hopefully I didn't overdo it. So I just googled how to blend a cream blush, and I think I already messed up because it said to apply the cream blush before powder, and well, I used powder first, so let's see if this is going to blend. Oh, it does blend. It's super pretty. Google's a liar. So I really like how this blush looks. It's super pretty. I actually feel like I need more on this side. Okay, I think I overdid it now. But it's a super pretty shade, and I'm going to put some on my nose because I like applying blush on my nose. Now I look like Rudolph. Okay, now since I feel like I overdid the blush, I'm just going to use my brush that I used for the powder with no extra product, and I'm just going to dab it over. Okay, so hopefully it looks okay now. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the Marc Jacobs highlighter, I think it is. Yeah, it's a Dew Drops Coconut Gel Highlighter and a 50 Do You. This one right here. So this is what it looks like. I've never tried anything from Marc Jacobs, so I'm super excited to try it out. And that's pretty cool. It has like a little pump. That's what it looks like. And I'm only going to put a little bit because I don't know how pigmented this is. And I'll blend it in with my finger. Well, this looks pretty. It looks super natural and I like it. I think I'm going to put a little bit more on this side. Hopefully I don't overdo it. So that's what it looks like. And it gives me a pretty glow. So I really like this Marc Jacobs highlighter. It's super pretty. Okay, now I'm going to be trying out the Tarte lippy right here, and it is in the shade Birthday Suit. So this is what it looks like. Super pretty. But first, I'm going to be lining my eyes with a Steve Laurent lip liner in the shade Vogue. Okay, if the angle's different, it's because my camera decided to die on me. Well, not my camera, but my battery. Okay, so now I'm going to be applying the lippy. Ooh, that's pretty. It feels really creamy. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So I really like how it feels on my lips. It was super creamy when I applied it, and it doesn't feel drying on my lips. I just like how it looks. I think it's cute. At first I thought it was super nude, but now that I look at it, it looks pretty. I like it. Okay, so now I only have 2 more products to try out, and it is the liner and the mascara. These 2 right here. First, I'm going to be applying eyeshadow off camera. After I'm done with the eyeshadow, I'll be back and I'll show you guys how the eyeliner works and the mascara. Okay, I am back. I already did my eyeshadow. Now I'm going to be trying out the Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliner, and it's this one right here, Glide On Eye Pencil. So it is easy to apply, but I feel like it's not as black as I like it, but it's still pretty. So I did have a little trouble applying eyeliner on this eye, but I mean, I do like it. It's just not as black as I normally wear it, but it's still pretty. Okay, now on to the last product, which is the mascara by Lancome. This one right here. I've never tried a mascara from Lancome, I don't think. And this is what the wand looks like. Okay, so here we go. So that's one application. And so far, I'm not that impressed. I feel like it just gets them long, but it doesn't give me volume or thickness. I don't know what it's called. But it doesn't look full. It just looks skinny and long. There is a difference between my eyelashes, but normally my eyelashes look like this. When I put mascara, it just doesn't look full. So I'm going to apply a second coat to see if I could make them look better. Okay, so that's what they look like with the second coat. I feel like they're getting stuck together now, which is pretty annoying. Putting on mascara is the thing that I hate the most because it takes forever and it gives me anxiety because they get stuck together. Oh, and by the way, if you're new here, I don't curl my eyelashes. So, okay, so this is what it looks like with a second coat of mascara, and I don't know, I'm not a big fan. I feel like they're looking clumpy or something. What do you guys think? I'm going to apply some on my bottom lashes now. Okay, I feel like this wand is too thick for my bottom lashes. Okay, so that's what one eye looks like. Okay, now I'm going to apply mascara on this eye. Okay, that's one coat of mascara for this eye, so now I'm going for the second coat. Okay, so this is the second coat of mascara on this eye, and I like it better on this side. Although my lashes are shorter on this side, I like how it looks better. I don't know if you guys could tell. So yeah, like I said, I need to play a little bit more with this mascara, but it is an okay mascara. It is not my favorite. Well, that was all of the products that I used from the Sephora Favorites makeup must-haves, and I did like all of them except for the Hula bronzer. I don't know how to use it. If you guys have any tips, let me know in the comments below. I really like the primer. It looks really good on my skin. The highlight was really pretty as well. It looks natural and I like that, so it's going to be perfect for school. The eyeliner, I do like it now that I already put mascara. It looks very black and hopefully it stays on all day. The blush, I really liked it. I've never tried a cream blush or a blush on a stick or whatever you call it, and it blended out really easily and it's super pretty, so I will definitely be using that. And for the Tarte Lippy, I do like it. It's super pretty. It didn't make my lips feel dry and it dried really good and it doesn't feel sticky at all. Oh, and for the concealer, it wasn't full coverage, but it still looks really good and it didn't look cakey at all. But anyways, let me know in the comments below if you liked any of these products, which one is your favorite, or if you guys want to try out any of these. And well, yeah, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.